Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to create how to create hard link in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So now let me go to the terminal. So ls, okay. So here I am going to take hard link for demo.java. So hard link means creating a copy as same as it is. Okay. So this is the content of demo.java. So I am going to create hard link for this demo.java. Same exact copy will be taken. So this is the command ln, it means link demo.java. So eclipse -x space. So in eclipse -x space there is no file called demo.java. So I am copying to eclipse -x space. So hard link is created. So what is the difference between copying and taking hard link is, if you take the hard link means inode number, the files will have same inode number. See here, this is the command. 1 minute. This is the command to check the inode number of the hard linked files. ls-li. So demo.java is original file. Eclipse -x space / demo.java. So it's a duplicate file. See here, both the files have same inode number. Okay, everything will be same. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to modify the original file. I'm going to modify the original file. So let me add or modify something here. So I modified a single line. Now I am opening the duplicate demo.java which I have copied, right? See here, the content is got reflected. Whatever I modified there in original file is reflected here in duplicate one. So this is the difference between copying the file and taking hard link. So taking hard link will maintain the whatever the changes you made, same changes will be reflected. So now what I am doing, I am deleting the original file. So I have deleted the original file. Let me go to Eclipse workspace. You can see demo.java is still there. Okay. So if I delete the original file, duplicate file which I have taken as hard link will be still remaining. So if you modify the content means both the files will be synchronized and have the same content. Okay. So this is the usage of taking hard link. Hard link means the hard copy. Okay. So make use of this feature in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.